Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's bond video update for Tuesday 9th of August, and the story still continues, but it's a very rather slow story. We've seen Bitcoin and many other different altcoins trying to move to the upside, but the problem with this one is that the bear flag was never really invalidated. So all you did is, you went down here, quick recap, made down, make a bear pennant, break to the downside. You're still looking to come to 4.994. I just don't know when it's going to happen, but this is a price level that I'm really, really looking forward to. And right now, it's just been sideways, and I think this is the Mr. Market Maker trying to accumulate as much people as he can just to drop them down. He's like building position. He's making sure that people are buying and stepping in so that when it drops down, he can actually be profitable. And if you don't know anything about market makers, you should understand that there's someone who prints all these charts. His biggest sign is that this is a pennant. You break the pennant by going to $11 and you close above $11, and that's when you invalidate the bear pattern. If you're not invalidating the bear pattern, you're still looking for 4.994. It doesn't really matter if you're actually going to end up at this position for the rest of your life, because somewhere down the road you are going to go down there. You have seen Bitcoin pumping, going to 24,000, but we never did anything for bond. Yet still we're here with bond trying to still go down. So that actually should be telling you something, that when Bitcoin is pumping and bond isn't doing anything, that's just a big negative sign. That's a heads up that, hey, the technical target is still pending, okay? So it is there, it is in play, unless you don't go and break above 11.4. That's your technical target to $5. And that's it for this quick update on bond. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.